Hey guys, so this is the new Amethyst Complexion Facial Wand from Lotus Skincare. So every box comes with the actual tool itself, and it comes with a little black bag to carry your device with, so you can take it on the road with you. They do not come with batteries, so you definitely do have to get your own batteries. It's going to be a AA battery, and it takes one AA battery. That's it, and it's going to last freaking forever. So to put the battery in the device, you're going to go ahead and open the bottom part of it, and then you're going to place the battery in. Then you're going to twist it back on. And when you put the top back onto it, it'll actually start to vibrate right away, and that's how you know the battery's been placed the proper way. Then you are ready for freaking action. So you want to make sure that your face is properly cleansed before using this bad boy, because you do not want to be pushing in bacteria, dirt, pollution, smog, makeup, oil, sweat. That's completely defeats the whole purpose of using this device. When using this device, you're pushing in the products that you're using on top. You're pushing them in deeper, so better penetration. Then I like to follow up with the Tonic Firm and Tighten Facial Toner from Lotus Skincare. And with this one, I actually do use a little cotton round, so I go all over my whole entire face. Then last but not least, I love the Plain Jane Beauty Chia Seed and Cranberry Beauty Oil. This is probably by far my new favorite beauty oil to use, and it's really just gonna bring a dewiness and hydration to the skin. So I like to do 6 strokes up. That is the repetitive motion that I would recommend for you to do. So you're gonna do first the left side, then the right side, the forehead. I mean, there's not a specific order in which area of the face you cover, but just remember you want to go up. That's the tightening, that's the toning that's gonna push in the product. So when in doubt, always go up. I know I'm gonna be doing the treatment on myself for no less than about 5 minutes. I would even suggest, if you can, to do it up to 10 minutes a day, if possible. And that's that. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope this is informative and you enjoyed watching me use the new Amethyst Complexion Facial Wand from Lotus Skincare.